As a construction worker, you want
Five-star review. Okay. Native deodorant. The internet loves it, and the internet hates everything.
Pure coconut confidence. This coconut oil-based deodorant glides on clear. It's never sticky, always awesome. It will outlast your longest days and keep you smelling fresh. The active ingredient that absorbs sweat and neutralizes odor is 100% natural. Our deodorant is free of aluminum, parabens, phthalates, sulfates, silicones, and is non-toxic. And our coconut milk scent will leave your pits begging for more. Coconut deodorant, we got ya.
And now I'll apply a saffron patchouli paste
to mask our body's natural musk.
Wait a sec. Essentials deodorant has odor-fighting baking soda and is free of aluminum and parabens. Natural, without going overboard.
Hyperhidrosis. That's the clinical name for excessive sweating.
But we're not defined by our diagnosis.
We are Certain Dry, with 3 powerful ways to combat excessive sweating.
Prescription strength, with the #1 doctor-recommended ingredient for excessive sweating.
Extra strength. Extra effective antiperspirant that may be more gentle on skin. Everyday strength. Protection for more certainty against odor and sweating.
So I wanted to tell you a few things I love about the Beauty by Earth natural deodorant that I've recently come across. The first thing and the most important thing for me would be that it's NSF certified organic and aluminum free, so I don't have to worry about those chemicals soaking up into my body that I would usually get from a regular brand of deodorant. And that's very important for me, and I absolutely love that about this product. The other thing would be the scent. It's so light and citrusy, and it's not really strong and perfumey, which I can't do strong perfumes. I get headaches, and this definitely doesn't happen with this deodorant. And it also lasts throughout the whole day, which it's kind of hard to come across in a natural deodorant that doesn't have that strong perfume. I first apply it in the morning, and I've realized I haven't had the urge or worry about reapplying later on in the day, which I usually have to do, and I haven't had to do this with this product, so that's pretty incredible. And the last thing would be how it glides on so easily. It's like so light, and I just do one swipe and it's enough, and it's perfect. It's nice and creamy and light. It's perfect, an overall deodorant, and 10 out of 10 I would recommend absolutely. So go check it out.
Our stick-up deodorants now come in a great cardboard, eco-friendly, biodegradable packaging. And there's no twist mechanism. All you have to do is push up the bottom. That little plunger will push your stick-up up to usable height. And don't worry, if you plunge too high, all you have to do is put the lid on and give it a little push down, and it will return it down to the normal height. Push the plunger up to the height you desire, and application. I recommend 3 to 4 swipes under each arm. That's all. If you over apply, you might feel wetness underneath your arm. It's very concentrated. So 3 or 4 swipes, all you do is then rub it in. This does 2 things. It evens out the application to prevent that wet feeling, and it also gives you a chance to massage your tissue and help to detox toxins out from under your armpit. So that's it. It's simple. Put the lid back on and have a great dry and stink-free day with the stick-up deodorant.